Hi, I'm Neil Peterson with LED Lighting Supply, and today I'm back to talk to you about power plant lighting. When we say power plants, we mean everything from nuclear, electric, gas, any type of power generation. And in these environments, they're very extreme industrial lighting requirements. Today I'm just going to show you some of those types of products that we recommend and provide to a lot of our power plant customers, starting with explosion proof. Your C1D1, C1D2, where you can have explosive gases or liquids present all the time or by accident. That determines whether you need C1D1 or C1D2. High temperature applications, which you find in gas and nuclear plants where temperatures can get up very high. We can support all the way from 80 degrees C up to 150 degrees C, and we have multiple models within that realm. We have multiple power plants. We have our 90 degrees C fixture implemented where they've been running for years, so a very reliable solution. But this, the one thing heat will do to any type of fixture is it will reduce the life of it. So by going with the right rated temperature for your operating temperature, will allow you the fixture to last for many years. The other is just a general industrial. You have big work areas indoors. You can have up to 100-foot mounting height. This is our industrial grade fixture that we've been selling to plants for many years. Very reliable, great light, and it also can go all the way up to 480 and 600 watt. Lastly, from an outdoor standpoint, power plants are federally regulated. You need to have security light outside. We have our industrial grade floodlight that can be mounted on roofs, poles, anywhere to really light up the outdoors. And in all these cases, where you need lighting, you need to know the level of light you're going to have, because you want more light than you're getting now. Because that just makes worker safety workers more safe and improves security. So for this light, it will light up the outdoor area. You need to have bright light outside in order to eliminate any security issues that could happen. So give one of our lighting specialists a call today. They'll work with you. We can do lighting plans on your different spaces to show you the light level you're going to get, how many fixtures, and we'll make sure you get the lighting you need. So give us a call. Thank you.